You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be going through my entire at-home maintenance routine. I feel like your maintenance routine is just so important. It really upkeeps everything, and I usually do my maintenance routine every 1 to 2 weeks. Some things aren't every week, other things are every week, so it kind of just depends. But today I really wanted to show you guys everything that I like to do to just keep myself up. Let's get into the results. Let's get into the skin, let's get into the lashes, the brows, the hair. Like, it's all given right now. If you want to see my maintenance routine, just stay tuned and keep watching. Beginning with hair care, I'm going to start off by washing my disgusting hair. I've had it in this bun for almost that whole week, but I'm gonna go in with my whole blend smoothing shampoo, and I'm gonna focus that on my roots. And I really like to scrub, especially around my edges and just the roots of my hair, because that's where I get the most buildup just from leaving my hair in a bun for God knows how long. So I'm just really focusing in on my roots, and then I kind of just let the shampoo run its course down to my ends. I don't really focus too much on my ends, being that shampoo can be really drying.
Got time, but I don't mind. I wanna rock you, girl. I'll hide whenever you at. Come on, let's get it, girl. I've been watching you. I like the way you move.
Now I'm gonna go in with my Aussie Moist Miracle Moist conditioner. I love this conditioner, y'all. It just has such great slip. And I also love the whole blend conditioner that goes with that as well, because it also has really great slip. But Aussie Moist, y'all know that's my go-to. So I'm just applying that generously all over my hair, making sure to focus it on my ends and just really coat my hair in conditioner, because I'm just going to leave it in there and let it sit while I do the rest of my shower routine. By the way, y'all, if y'all want to see a shower routine, let me know in the comments down below, because I feel like I'm going to upload something like that soon. So if you want to see it, let me know.
Just wanna rock you, girl.
After I let the conditioner sit in my hair for a little while, I go in and detangle with my wide tooth comb. Y'all, I love this comb. I got it from CVS or Walgreens, I can't remember, but y'all, it's everywhere. Like, this comb is so great for detangling wet hair. And so I'm just starting from ends to root and just detangling my hair. Now moving on to skincare, my favorite. I'm going to start by cleansing my face with my Curology face wash and using my cleansing brush from Duval to really get into my skin. This brush is really good at removing the dirt from the surface of my skin. Y'all know I have really oily skin, so I always have oils and dirt building up on the surface of my skin. But after I finish cleansing my face, I go in with a clean towel and just pat my face dry. Y'all, this is my new favorite thing to play with as of lately. I've been loving my face steamer. I got it off of Amazon, and I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it. But I love this for when I'm doing my face mask. It just feels so great. So I like to apply my face mask while it's kind of blowing in the direction of my face. But after that, I leave the face mask on, and I kind of just give it some time to seep into my skin while the steamer is steaming my face. And y'all, I just feel like I'm at a spa. Seriously, like at home, I'm at a spa. I love this thing so much. So after I remove my mask, I go in with the Remedy Co. healing cream. And y'all should definitely go shop at the Remedy Co. It's black owned. We love to see it, okay? So I'm going in with the healing cream, like I said, and I'm just going to moisturize my face. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but I don't know why I moisturize my face with one hand. Did y'all notice that? I don't know why I do that. But anyways, moving on to hair care. I'm just going to start by moisturizing my hair. I had it in this microfiber towel. Love that towel. It's great. It kind of reduces frizz, and it really dries my hair because my hair tends to stay very wet if I let it. So I'm just spritzing my hair with some water and going in with my Sleek and Shine leave-in conditioner and just applying that all over my hair. Next, I'm taking my Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in detangler, and I'm applying that to my hair as well. No specific way, I'm just kind of putting it all in my hair, and I just love this product. It has great slip. And then also I am going in with my Sleek and Shine by Garnier Fructis oil. Love, love, love. Like, I feel like this keeps my hair so moisturized, and my hair tends to get really dry, so this stuff is like a lifesaver. So I'm going to put my hair up in this clip just to get it out of the way and just to let my hair sit in the moisture, all the moisturization that we just did. But now I'm going to go in and start my facial hair removal process. Y'all, I've been using the Nair face cream. Y'all know usually I shave my face, but I feel like something about that has been making my pores look enlarged. Or like, I don't know, it just looks not the greatest. So I've been using the Nair face cream, and it has been my favorite thing as of recently, especially for my upper lip. I have a brow lady who also waxes my upper lip for me, and she has been on maternity leave, so I have been having to figure out new ways to do things at home that I would usually pay for, and the Nair face cream is definitely something that I am just in love with. And honestly, I don't think I'm gonna ever pay anybody again to wax my upper lip, because this stuff just does so well. So I leave this on my face for about 5 minutes, and in the meantime of doing that, I just went in with my steamer and I steamed my hair while I had the products in it, just so that the products could really penetrate my hair shaft and really get into my hair follicle and do all of the good things that it needs to be doing. Now I'm taking a cotton pad to remove all of the Nair off of my face. I would highly recommend using a wipe though. I didn't have any wipes by me, but the cotton pad kind of left some of the cotton on my face, so that was kind of annoying. But like I said, I'm removing all of the Nair, and again, y'all, love this stuff. See how it gets everything out from the root? Just wanna rock it, girl. On to lip care. My lip care process is just very simple. I use my toothbrush and I kind of just exfoliate my lips and do it until I feel content, basically. And then I really like to go in with my The Remedy Co. lip balm. Y'all, this stuff makes my lips feel so smooth and moisturized. I love this lip balm, and it's a hydrating lip balm, so it's perfect for dry, chapped lips. Moving back to hair, I'm going to begin by styling my hair in a really simple hairstyle that I love to do, especially kind of spice up what I usually do, because y'all know I love to throw a bun in my hair real quick. But I'm going to start by parting my hair down the middle. Next, I'm going to part my hair going down the sides of my head down to my ear, and I'm just going to part 2 sections, one on each side. I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel just to put in the front sections of my hair to kind of get my hair tamed and ready for the twist that we're going to apply. And then I'm also going to take my Edge Booster Edge Control and focus that at the root of my hair and kind of leave some of my fingertips for the twisting process. So I'm going to take the twist, or take some of my hair and kind of roll it backwards, and it gives the illusion of this like rolled twist. It's so cute, so easy, and it's just very simple to do if you want to spice up your typical buns. I love to put like a braid or a twist in the front of my hair just to kind of switch up my look a little bit. For the back section of my hair that's out, I'm just brushing that back just to get it ready to secure in a bun. since my curls were kind of prominent, I'm just kind of smoothing through my curls and taking my hair ties, and I'm just going to secure the bun at the nape of my neck. And just to keep my twists like extra secured, I like to use bobby pins just to kind of like really keep them in place. Next, I'm going to be going in with my edge booster again and doing my edges. You know, I live for the edges, I live for the baby hairs, but I'm just doing my baby hairs and my sideburns, you know, all that good stuff. Y'all, look at how cute it turned out. This is the final result. Super easy, super cute. Yeah, love it. Because I just got my lashes done, there wasn't really much to do to them other than brush them out and untangle them, I guess. But that is pretty much all I did. I took my lash brush and just made sure to brush them out. Just a little FYI about your lashes. If you do get lash extensions, y'all, I love getting lash extensions because they're just so easy. I just wake up and I look good. If you do get lash extensions and you have a problem with redness after your appointment, you know, from the glue getting in your eyes and just irritation, burning, all that stuff, I love to use my Roto Ice cooling eye drops. They are such a lifesaver. I'm not gonna lie though, when I drop them in my eye, it does kind of burn a little bit, but then it has like this cooling sensation, and I do like 3 to 4 drops and it really just relieves the redness. Like, let me show y'all my eye. You can see it's still a little bit red, but it was a lot more red than that. So I just do that throughout the day, and by the next day, like, my eyes are fine. Yes, oh shoot. I highly suggest getting the blue tube. The cooling one is the blue one. Get the blue eye drops. They work so well for my eyes, not being irritated after I get my lash extensions. But okay, back to your scheduled programming. Moving on to brows. Y'all, this is like the most tedious thing I've been having to do as of lately because my brows look a mess, and like I told y'all, my brow lady is on maternity leave, so I've been having to come up with any and everything to get these brows right. So I'm going in with my Nair face cream again, and I'm kind of putting that around the perimeter of my brow just to get some of those stray hairs that aren't, you know, a part of the natural shape of my brow, just the grown out parts. This is just really going to help me with removing that. And then I'm going in, I'm not even sure what you call this tool, you guys, but I love using it just to get some of that extra gunk and everything out of my skin. And as you can see, I didn't really have much because of my skincare routine that I did, but I did have a little bit of dirt and stuff that was remaining on my skin, and this is just a really great tool.
Just wanna rock you, girl. You move me. Let's go, let's give it a whirl. It appears to me you like the way I move. I tell you what I'm gonna do. You close to share my groove. Grab the girls and you out.
After removing the Nair face cream from around my eyebrows, I'm just going in with my tweezers and plucking out some of the hairs that didn't come off in the 5 minutes that I left the cream on. Now I'm brushing my brows out and kind of prepping them so that I can start sculpting them with my Lash Great Lash Gel. This is really for your lashes, but I use it for my brows because I feel like it's a really great brow gel. So this is what I love to use. Again, I'm going to be sculpting my brows. I like the really fluffy brow look. I've been loving that trend, so I do that to my eyebrows and brush them upwards and then kind of just sculpt them in a way that I like.
By the end of this song, so what is I'm here to dance with you. It's a romance with you.
Moving on to oral care. Y'all, I'm going to be whitening my teeth today with my Smile Brilliant teeth whitening gel. The process is super easy. You just take the syringe and you put it into the molds that they make for you and just put it on your teeth. Super, super easy. And as recommended on the box, you leave it on for about 45 minutes to an hour, but I left mine on for 45 minutes. And after that, I took them out. Y'all, look at how white my teeth are. Like, that is crazy. They're crooked, but they're white. But y'all, this is the finished result. Alright, you guys, so that is it for the video. I can't talk. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to thumbs up this video as well as subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next Saturday with a new upload. I love you guys so much.